A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the first lesson in life, generating energy for a purposeful existence. Ladies and gentlemen, in the vast symphony of the cosmos, everything is energy, unseen, ever-flowing, and intricately ordered in space and time. Within this universal rhythm lies the human being, not by accident, but by divine design. Each life is born with intent, infused with a mission, encoded deep within the biological and spiritual framework of existence. The first and most fundamental lesson that every child, parent, and society must understand is this: life begins with energy and thrives on learning how to generate it. The design of the cosmos operates through an uninterrupted flow of energy. It is the signature of the master creator, imprinted into galaxies and woven into atoms. Humanity, as part of this design, carries the responsibility of conscious participation in this flow. Each soul is born not merely to exist, but to evolve toward strength, wisdom, awareness, and compassion. The bridge between cosmic purpose and human life lies in the body's remarkable circuitry, particularly the heart-lung-brain interface. At birth, only the central nervous system is developed. The rest gradually unfolds, shaped by stimuli, nourishment, and breath. This early phase of life, though dependent on caregivers, is biologically and spiritually formative. Every sensory experience, every loving gesture, every rhythm of breath contributes to the infant's energy blueprint, laying the foundation for lifelong potential. As the body matures, energy generation becomes both an individual responsibility and a spiritual necessity. It is not limited to physical vitality, but extends to the mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational dimensions. Through the synchronized engagement of breath, circadian rhythm, physical activity, exposure to sunlight, nutritional integrity, and knowledge cultivation, human energy is awakened, balanced, and sustained. When the brain is energized, thought becomes clear. When the heart is nourished, emotions stabilize. When the soul is aligned, purpose awakens. And when purpose is pursued, life begins to radiate meaning, not just for the self, but for the collective human field. What is the way forward? The gap between potential and actualization often emerges from early disconnection from energy, from purpose, and from awareness. The sooner this gap is bridged, the more empowered life becomes. It is during the earliest years when the brain is most impressionable and the body is learning to generate its own force that the most essential lessons must be gently imparted, not through pressure but through presence. Teaching every child how to generate and replenish energy across all planes should be a sacred responsibility. In doing so, a generation rises that is not only self-aware but also spiritually awake, biologically resilient, and socially compassionate. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, energy is not merely a function of survival. It is the language of life speaking through every breath, every thought, and every act. When individuals learn to generate energy with intention and clarity, they do more than elevate themselves. They influence the larger field of existence. In energizing the self, one becomes a quiet catalyst for harmony across families, communities, and even the earth itself. As the Bhagavad Gita reminds profoundly, let one uplift the self by the self. Let not the self be degraded. For surely the self is the friend of the self, and the self is the enemy of the self. This is the call to every soul to recognize energy as sacred, its generation as purposeful, and its use as a contribution to the divine order. In learning this first lesson, life begins not just in biology but in truth. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.